Let's explore effortless load management and complete automation from dispatch to billing. Let's open up a load in TMS driven by an owner-operator, for example. Load information is already entered, copied from last shipment or transmitted via EDI. Invoice is created instantly. Driver pay is calculated instantly as well. Let's assign this load to a driver who will have a different compensation type set. Okay, we can see that driver's pay schedule has been updated. Now, let's say we want to account for empty miles driver has made to pick up the load. We can select from last load, terminal, or any other location. Let's pick terminal. System automatically calculates 177 empty miles, and this will now be reflected in driver pay instantly. Driver receives load information on Trucking Hub mobile app. Load information is a tap away, along with ability to navigate to individual stops with built-in Copilot navigation, and easily upload a bill of lading upon delivery with a proprietary engine that recognizes documents, processes, and uploads them instantly and in perfect quality. Okay, document is being uploaded now. Okay, here it is. We can see it on the board too. Let's preview the invoice as bill of lading is automatically attached to complete it. Here it is in perfect quality. That's it, invoice is ready to go. Let's now mark load as complete. Driver has full visibility with real-time updating driver statements. So let's navigate to driver profile to see how easy it is to keep all finances in check. We can see the load, scheduled deductions, all fuel and toll transactions are synced automatically for a fully automated workflow. Okay, let's preview it. Fully automated workflow allows you to prepare 1 or 100 driver statements effortlessly. Before we move on, let's check out driver qualification file. All forms are pre-filled and electronically signed by the driver to ensure DOT compliance. You can even pull MVRs without leaving the platform. It's never been easier to manage drivers. Carrier has full visibility into drivers' hours of service with a complete and integrated ELD solution. Ability to manage and track equipment with just a few clicks. Location insights, geofencing, and so much more. Then we have full accounting suite, allowing you to easily manage your driver and customer financials. Nicely organized, so anything you need is just a click away. Safety tools. Reporting engine. All of your fuel transactions with live pricing intelligence. Toll transactions. And lastly, we have IFTA for real-time visibility into state mileage and state fuel reporting, for a completely automated and effortless filing. Trucking OS goes far beyond automating workflows, giving your dispatchers the ultimate platform to track assets, load progress, and hours of service. Built-in multitasking panel, chat, traffic, and weather. Powerful and easy to use scheduler, and so much more. Device Manager is a unified platform to connect and manage all your essential devices like tablets, telematics and GPS devices, and dashcams. Then we have Drug Consortium to easily manage random drug pools and to schedule random or pre-employment drug tests. Carriers even get a fully customized drug policy, which is a DOT requirement. Run payroll in minutes by simply confirming everything the system has calculated for you. Okay, let's move to the bank app. Your financial dashboard. Ability to easily create invoice schedules that can be downloaded or emailed to a factor directly. And Instacash, proprietary Visa cards to instantly advance or reimburse money to a driver. Maintenance app is your assets health dashboard and direct link to your truck's data, including DTC codes. Ability to create custom preventive maintenance services to keep your fleet healthy. Communications is a huge part of trucking business, so it's only natural it's native to Trucking Hub. One Central is a platform giving you voice, video, and even a fully featured cloud fax. Ability to manage your professional email, and even your business phone numbers and employee extensions with just a few clicks. Website app gives you the ability to find and claim your domain name. Choose template and customize appearance to easily create a professional website. Let's preview the actual website to see just how professional and modern looking it is. Let's quickly cover Cloud Drive, a file and management solution for Trucking OS that lets you easily and intuitively navigate through your documents. Roadside Inspection folder is synced with Driver app, ensuring driver's DOT folder is always up to date. And last, let's cover Support app. Simple, quick way to reach out dedicated support members 24/7, or to leave feedback. There is a lot more, but hopefully this gives you the sense of depth, complexity, and power behind Trucking OS. Thank you for watching.